Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we'll be diving into the Trucker Bluetooth Headset by Earbay, a wireless headset designed for professionals, offering advanced features and comfort. The Earbay Bluetooth headset features advanced environmental noise-canceling technology, eliminating up to 99.6% of background noise. This ensures crystal-clear audio quality, making your calls sound better than ever. The 40mm HD driver unit delivers immersive stereo sound for an exceptional listening experience. This headset utilizes the latest Bluetooth v5.2 technology, providing faster and more stable transmission. Enjoy a wireless connection with a range of up to 49 feet. What's impressive is its ability to connect to two devices simultaneously, adding to your convenience. Earbay includes a USB dongle, allowing you to enjoy a true plug-and-play experience on computers without Bluetooth capability. The Type-C charging dock not only charges the headset but also provides a convenient storage solution. It's all about enhancing your overall experience. Designed for all-day comfort, the Earbay Trucker Bluetooth headset features a 270° adjustable microphone and soft ear cushions. The adjustable headband ensures a perfect fit even during extended wearing periods. Plus, it boasts an impressive battery life, providing up to 28 hours of talk time and 400 hours of standby time, with a quick 2-hour charging time. This headset seamlessly works with most leading unified communications platforms and devices, including laptops, PCs, cell phones, tablets, and more. It's perfect for truckers, VoIP, webinars, Skype, Zoom, call centers, online meetings, and both home and office use. Even if you temporarily leave your connected device, your call quality remains unaffected. In the box, you'll find the wireless headset, user manual, charging station, and cable. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. The Earbay Trucker Bluetooth headset is a fantastic choice for those seeking a high-quality headset for professional use. With its advanced noise cancellation, stable connectivity, and long-lasting battery, it's a valuable addition to any office or home setup. If you're looking to elevate your communication experience, this headset is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review a specific product, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.